Hello again, I'm Liam. So last video we talked about batteries. We also talked about resistors. So in this lesson we're going to talk about capacitors. I don't know what it is, and we'll figure it out. And we're also going to talk about switches, like I said in the last video. Okay, so let's review our basics. So a basic circuit requires a connector, a battery, LED or light bulb, and sometimes switches. Yeah, so let's go. So what are switches? They stop and they let your circuit go on. Even though you have about like 4 batteries, with a single switch you can stop it all. Let's try it. So you see, now we have batteries and we connect them, and now put this here and we put this here. So you see, I'm forming a circuit. So let's just turn it on. Turn it up. And let's put the light bulb. So you see? Oh, it's so bright. We have the power of 4 batteries. But with a single switch, it's off. There are a lot of switches. Let's take this and let's see. First, the slide switch, so you just slide it. Basic. Next, there is the micro switch. Why is it called micro? I don't know, but it's because that when you press it, you see, it lights up. But when you put your hand away, it stops. So it's pretty quick. It's good if you only want a short period of the circuit. And like I said, the slide switch, it's good use when you want your circuit to be longer. So more time, you don't need to hold it when you want light. You can just switch it on. So we have next one, this. What do? Let me change the light. We're going to use these LED because it just needs a little light so you can see. So this one is a switch, but if you need to vibrate it, so there will be electricity going through like this. You see? You see? There is a little light because it's vibrate. Actually, there is a spring in there, and also there's a line there, a wire. So when I vibrate it, it connects suddenly. So you see, there's only a little light. Oh. Next, we're going to talk about this. It's also a switch. So when you touch it, you can see there's a little light. But actually, that's not what it's actually purpose for. So you see, there's a cup. So I got water. So when I put it on, it lights up. Yeah, it's water. You need water. Now, when you touch water, always take a tissue or a towel and wash it off. Don't have water on your hands because it's conductive. So we learned that when there's water on it, the light goes on. Next, this. What is this? I don't know. Well, you'll soon figure it out. There is something. So when I put it near, it lights up. What is it? It's a magnet. So this switch, a magnetic switch. So inside there's two pieces that are not together. So they're iron. So when there is a magnet, these two connect. I don't know if you can see it, but you can actually see it connect. That's why it forms a circuit and connects. Yeah. Okay, so the next switch, we need to change a little bit. The next switch, now we're going to show you there is something inside. So first, positive. We're going to use 2 lights because that helps you to see what is going on. So put this here, put this here. When you connect, you'll see that one light moves. So do you see it? You see what happened? Actually, this switch, there is a little ball inside. So when you move it to the right, the ball went right, and this circuit connects. So the red light breaks up. And when you turn left, the air forms another circuit. That's how it works. You can hear the sound. I don't know if you can hear it, but there is a little sound. Okay, next we're going to talk about another switch. What do you think this is? You can, okay, so this switch, you can choose which side of the circuit should this circuit go on. So let me show you. We'll just change it a little bit. So it will be like the same. So wait, this one, this one. So you see? So when I slide here, the green goes. It's like this, but you can control it by pushing this switch. You see? It controls it. Now the last switch, last but not least, we're talking about, let me put this on. We're talking about bum 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 bum. Ta-da! A slide switch? No. You see, it has, you can slide front, middle, back. What does this do? That's C. What should we do? So, this way. Okay. Because this switch can change the way that it's positive or negative. It can move. So when I switch it one way, it will be positive will go through there. So when I change it next way, the negative will go through there. If I put it in the middle, nothing will happen. To see this, we will use a motor. I put on these so you can see it better. So let's see. So when I slide in the middle, there is nothing happened. When I slide it to the left, you will see it went left side, so not clockwise. So when I switch it right, it spins clockwise. And there's also wind. That's how it works. You could also, if you could see, actually, we could also use this in the last lesson. So we said that this could be powered. We could also see the direction. Let's try it. So when I connect it, it doesn't move. You see? Right? So you can see it's spinning clockwise. And then another way. So that's all the switches. Next we're going to talk about this. capacitor, or something that's, so yeah, a capacitor, so it could store electricity. It's not like a battery, so when there's electricity coming through, it will take a little and store a little, and when it needs it, it will give out. So that's C. But to do this, we'll make something like this. So now, when I put it on, the electricity goes through and it starts storing it. And then when I put it there, it will be like a battery. So you'll go through, like, watch it carefully. You see? It lights up. And then why is there one more? This is a little one. It's fading because that its electricity is draining out. Yep. So using what we learned about capacitors, or something about what's that called, we can make something like this. Yeah. Oh yeah, I put it the wrong way. So it should be something like this. So now you see it's storing. It is like, you see it's going through, so energy, electricity is coming through. So just hold it, because yeah, let's give it electricity and we'll see what will happen. So while I'm pressing this, when I'm pressing this, because when I just let it go, the electricity will just come back. So that's not really good. So let's see. Let's put this here. Okay, you can see. So I'm storing electricity when I just turn it off and then I touch this. Because there's electricity in it, so when I just let it go, it can come through, and then when I hold this, it'll go through. Okay, so that's today's lesson. We learned about switches and capacitors. So next lesson, we'll learn about music. Yes, there is music. And also we'll talk about radios. Yep, we have a radio. I just can't understand what it's talking about it because that's Taiwanese. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you soon. Bye!